page 2 from Sem 2 textbook, lesson number 4, future tense. You all know what is future tense, right, children? Actions that happen in future is called what? Future tense. So, future tense, when we want to talk about future actions or happenings, then we will use future tense, right? The words will or shall. The words will or shall is added before the verbs to indicate future tense. The helping verbs will or shall is added before the verbs to indicate what? Future tense. Then we usually use shall or will with I and we. We generally use shall or will with I and we only. For I and we can use the helping verbs shall or will. Okay. See the example. I will do my homework tomorrow. For I, we can use the helping verb will. Okay. Next, say I shall meet him next week. Here, after I shall, so we can use will or shall for I and we. See the next example. We shall take the dog for a walk later. After we, the helping verb shall is used. Next example. We will meet the monitor tomorrow. Here, after we have used will. So we generally use shall or will along with I and we. Okay. If the action will happen for sure, if you are sure, then you can use will for I and we. Okay. Otherwise, we can use shall. So generally, we can use shall or will with I and we. Then with all other nouns and pronouns, we use only will. Okay, we learned we generally use shall or will. Both we can use along with only I and we. And with all other nouns and pronouns, we have to use only will. Okay, we cannot use shall there. Only will. He will be absent tomorrow. He is a pronoun, right? So we are using only will. Next example, Raju will become a doctor. Raju a noun, right? So after that also we will use only will. No shall along with nouns and pronouns. Okay? Only with I and we can use what? Shall or will. And for all other nouns and pronouns we have to use what? Only will. Okay? How can we use will and shall? For singular I, we can use shall or will. For plural we can use shall or will. Next, in singular you, he, she, it, all pronouns, right? Then what we have to use? Only will in singular. For plural pronoun they, we have to use what? Will. We cannot use shall for you, he, she and it and they. Okay? We can use shall for only I and we. Okay, children? Now we will move on to the TB exercises. Children, before I start the TB exercises of future tenses, we will continue the exercises of the previous lesson. Okay? So all of you take out page number 57. C main, put the verbs in brackets in the correct form to make different form of the present continuous tense. So we have to put this verb in the correct form of present continuous tense. Okay. The first one, Karan dash a book now. Read is given. What is the form for present continuous tense? Is or am or are plus verb plus ing, right? Here Karan singular, so we have to use helping verb is, then verb plus ing. Read plus ing will become reading. So we can write Karan is reading a book now. Next, what dash tonight? In the bracket given, you do. So you can write what are you doing tonight? Next, Arush and Avni dash late today. Work is given. Arush and Avni plural, right? So we have to use what? Helping verb are working. Work plus ing. Verb plus ing working. Are working late today. Next, Meena dash next to Paul. Sit given. So Meena singular. So Meena is sitting next to Paul. Next one, how many other students dash with? you study is given here. So you can write how many other students are you studying with. Students plural, right? So the helping verb plural. Next, hurry up. We dash for you. Wait is given. Hurry up. We are waiting for you. We plural, so are. What are you dash? I dash letters. Do and write given here. So what are you doing? I am writing letters. For I we have to use am. Next, she doesn't like to be disturbed when she dash, work given. So when she is working, she singular, so is. Who is that girl dash on the table? Stand given. Who is that girl standing on the table? Next, I dash for the shops to open. Wait given here. I am waiting for the shops to open. Next main, complete the sentences with simple present or present continuous. We have to use simple present or the present continuous form. First one, Susan usually dash to school by bus, but now she dash go to school by train. Susan usually, if you see usually, then what is that? You have to use simple present form, right? Susan usually go will become goes. Susan singular, so goes to school by bus, but now she is going to school by train. Now, right, at the moment of speaking, it's happening. So present continuous form is plus verb plus ing. So is going to school by train. Next, Sandhya often dash read in bed, but today she is very tired and she dash not read. So you can write Sandhya often reads in bed, but today she is very tired and she is not reading. Next, the boys usually dash their bikes to school. Ride given here. Boys plural, right? So we will use ride only. The boys usually ride their bikes to school. They dash like or ride their bikes. They like riding their bikes. Plural, right? So like. They dash very naughty boys. Be given here. I have already told you, right? If it is singular, we have to use is. If it is plural, then we have to use are. Here they plural. So we have to use are. They are very naughty boys. They always dash to school late. Go given here. They plural. So we have to use the plural form of the verb itself. Go. They always go to school late. Today their teacher dash very angry. Be given here. Their teacher singular, right? So we have to use is. Today their teacher is very angry because they dash late again. Here again be given here. They plural. So we have to use the plural form of the verb are. Next, Mary dash sweets like and eat. Both given. So Mary likes eating. Mary singular, right? So likes eating sweets. Every morning she dash have given. She singular, so we have to use the singular form of the verb has. Coffee with a lot of sweets and chocolate. For lunch, she and her friends often dash sweets or ice cream. Eat given here. She and her friends, plural, right? So we have to use the plural form of the verb. So eat itself you have to write. Next, she dash not like eat fruit or vegetables. Not like eat. Three verbs are given here. So we can write she singular. She does not like eating fruits or vegetables. She dash eggs or cheese. Eat never given. She never eats eggs or cheese. Today she dash sick. Be is given here. So we have to use the singular form because she, right? So she is sick. And last, she dash in her room now. Sleep is given. So she is sleeping in her room now. Children, next lesson take page number 59. Exercises of lesson number 3, past tense. A main, complete the table by writing the simple past form of the verbs given below. Present and past we have to fill here by the simple past form of the verbs. Grow, given in present tense. What is the past tense of grow? Grew. Cut, cut. The past tense also cut only. Okay. So present form cut, past tense also cut. Open will become opened. Laugh, laughed. Close, closed. Carry, carried. Take away the y and add I and add ed. Blow, blew. Write, wrote. Ride, rode. Know, knew. Sit, sat. Swim, swam. Win, won. Become, became. These are the simple past form of the verbs. Next main, complete the following sentences using the simple past tense of the verb here. Again we have to complete the following sentences by using the simple past tense of the verbs given here. Dad dash the heavy box. Lift, past tense of lift is lifted. We dash our breakfast half an hour ago. Finish, past tense of finish, finished. She dashed school last year. Leave, past tense of leave, left. I dashed a new bicycle last week. Buy, past tense, bought. I dashed him yesterday. See, past tense, saw. I dashed his letter yesterday. Receive, past tense, received. She dashed that she would not go. Say, past tense of say, said. We laughed so loud that my little brother dashed up. Wake, past tense, woke. Everyone dashed from their seats when the national anthem was played. Rise, past tense of rises, rose. Next, Kim's dad dashed ice cream cones for everyone after we won the game. Buy, past tense of buy is bought. Okay, B-O-U-G-H-T. The neighbor's dog dashed my sister when she went in their garden to get her ball. Bite, past tense of bite, bit. Next, 12th one, mom dashed the candles after the power went out. Light, past tense of light, lit. Next, the guest dashed juice yesterday morning. Drink, past tense of drink, drank. Next, the girl dashed in the rain for 5 minutes. Stand, past tense of stand, stood. We dashed a lot of money on clothes last Diwali. Spend, past tense of spent, S-P-E-N-T, spent. Children, next C main, rewrite the following sentences changing the verb forms to simple past tense. Okay, in the following sentences we have to change the verb forms to simple past tense. Here in the present tense form they have given, we have to change into simple past form. See the first one, I swim in the pool every day. So swim is the verb, right? That is in present tense. Then we have to change into simple past form. What is the past tense of swim? Swam. So you can write I swam in the pool. That is already happened, right? Past tense. So we can change from everyday to yesterday. So you can write I swam in the pool yesterday. Then underline swam. Next, Rohan visits his grandparents every week. What is the verb here? Visits, right? So we have to change into simple past form. Rohan visited his grandparents. Every week will become last week. Next, the wind blows furiously. What is the verb here? Blows. Past form of blow is blew. So you can write the wind blew furiously. Next, the farmer grows wheat and pumpkins. What is the verb here? Grows. You can change into grew as simple past tense. The farmer grew wheat and pumpkins. Next, the boy stands on the burning deck. The boy stands will become stood on the burning deck. Next, the little boy draws pictures of lions. What is the verb here? Draws. And the past tense of draw is drew. So you can write the little boy drew pictures of lions. Okay. So in the same way, the rest 7 to 15 I will be giving you as a homework. In the same way you have to write, use the past tense and you have to write. So from 7 I will be giving you as a homework. If you have any doubt you can ask me in the interactive session. Okay children. Next main, from page number 61. Complete the sentences with the past continuous form of the verbs given in brackets. Here we have to fill the sentences by using the past continuous of the form of the verbs given in the brackets. Okay, see the first one. The kids dash in the garden when it suddenly began to rain. The verb given here is play. So what is the past continuous form? Was or were plus verb plus ing, right? So see here the subject, it is in plural form, right? So we have to use what? Were. Then verb plus ing. Verb is what? Play. Play plus ing. So we can write the kids were playing in the garden when it suddenly began to rain. Next, most of the time we dash were sitting in the park. Sit is given here. So what we have to write? Most of the time we, plural, right? We were sitting, we have to write, but here they have already given, so we don't need to write anything. Next, when I arrived, they dash were playing cards. Play is given here. How can we write? When I arrived, they. Plural form, right? So what helping verb we have to use? Were. They were playing. Here that also they have given, so we don't need to write. So just put a hyphen over there. Next, we dash English yesterday at 4 p.m. Study. We, plural, right? So we have to use were. We were studying English yesterday at 4 p.m. Next, I was dash TV when she called. Watch. I was already given. Then verb plus ing we have to add. So I was watching TV when she called. So understood, children? So in the same way you have to do the rest of the TB exercises as homework. Okay? Then the last main of this lesson, change the sentences from simple past to past continuous form. So in the sentences, simple past form is given. Now we have to change it into past continuous form. Okay. See the first one. We did our homework. What is the verb here? Did. Right. That is in simple past. Now we have to change this into past continuous form. We did our homework. So we can write we were doing their homework. Next, we had a party. Had is the verb here, right, in past tense. So we can write we were having a party. Next, I spoke to my teacher. Spoke is the verb written in simple past tense. Now this we have to change into past continuous form. So you can write I was speaking to my teacher. Next, the band played a beautiful song. Played is the verb. We can change it as the band were playing a beautiful song. Next, she listened to the song. Listen is the verb. So we can write she was listening to the song. Next, my friend laughed at my joke. Laughed is the verb here written in simple past form. So we can write my friend was laughing at my joke. Next, I tried to explain. Tried is the verb. So we can write I was trying to explain. So children, all of you copy this properly in a textbook and try to do the homework by yourself. Okay? Now children, take page number 62, exercises of lesson number 4, future tense. Okay? A. Complete the following sentences with shall or will. Okay? Now let us see. First one, it is raining today. I dash carry an umbrella. What we learned, we can use shall or will along with I and we, right? It is raining outside. It's happening now. So you must take an umbrella, right? So we can use will. I will carry an umbrella. Next, he dash become a doctor. This is a pronoun, right? For other nouns and pronouns, we have to use only will. Okay? So there is no confusion. Just write will. He will become a doctor. I hope they dash be ready in the morning. They. So we have to use will. She dash turn 10 next June. Pronoun she, so we have to use only will. Are you sure it dash be easy? It, pronoun, we have to use will. I dash write a letter next Monday. For I, we can use shall or will. You can use here shall. Next, we dash play games in the playground. We shall. My parents dash visit my uncle next week. My parents, noun, so we can use will. Next, my teacher dash teach English tomorrow. My teacher, you have to use will. Next, I dash go to the library tomorrow. For I, we can use shall or will. Next main, complete the following sentences in the simple future tense using the correct form of the verbs given in the brackets. You have to complete the following sentences in simple future tense form, okay, by using the verbs given in the brackets. First one, Kavya and Kabir dash with us. Come. We have to use what? Will. For the nouns, will come with us. I dash to the library next Friday. Go given here. For I, we can use shall or will. So, I shall go to the library next Friday. Next, give me that book. I dash it tonight. Read given here. So, I shall read it tonight. Next, you dash a lot if you practice every day. Improve given here. For pronoun you, we have to use only will. You will improve. Next, the flowers dash in spring. Bloom. The flowers. So, we have to use will. Will bloom. Next, let's walk faster. It dash dark soon. Get is given here. So, we have to use will. It will get dark soon. Next, we dash to your house tomorrow. Come. If you are sure, you can use will. Okay, so we can use we will come. We shall also you can write. I dash my homework after dinner. Do. I shall do my homework after dinner. Next, we dash on a trip to Goa this new year. Go. We. So we can use shall. We shall go on a trip to Goa this new year. Next, last one. They dash a lot from this exhibition. Learn. They. We have to use will. They will learn a lot from this exhibition. Next, last main, rewrite the following sentences in future tense. You have to rewrite given in past tense. We have to rewrite it in future tense. See, first one, he liked the job. Liked is the verb, right, in past tense. How we will rewrite? He will like the job. So, write, he will like the job. Next, the train arrived at 10:25. Arrived, we can change it into the train will arrive at 10:25. Next, the principal gave a lecture on cleanliness. The principal will give a lecture on cleanliness. Next, she ate her lunch at noon. Ate given in past tense, so we can rewrite as she will eat her lunch at noon. Next, he lived with his uncle in the city. Lived given in past tense, so we can write he will live with his uncle in the city. So children, all of you copy this without mistakes in your textbook. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in the interactive session. Thank you.